Yeah, today we are starting a new series. I'm going to take you through on how to take care of your chicks from 1 day old until they mature. They have just arrived. Here are the chicks. A number of them, we will count them. So first of all, you get prepared. You're supposed to feed them with both water and food, and mine are ready. Then this one is called a brooding room. This is where they will be staying for the next 4 weeks. Come and show you inside. Myself, I have decided not to use electricity. I'm going to be using charcoal. So I'm using these two jikos to improve and increase the room temperature. These are the jikos, the floor. All this is done so as to minimize heat loss, maintain room temperature. I've used different materials. You can use the ones which are available at your place. The only important point is this is supposed to enable you not to use so much energy when you are maintaining the room temperature. Next, you are supposed to prepare the water. Myself, I have decided to use this process. I'm preparing the water, which they shall be drinking once they get inside their new home. Huyo mboroski hapo ameleta maji ndani. It's quite a process. Set and ready to go. Another important thing, you are supposed to count them one by one so that you can know the number of your population. As you unpack them and record, you try to distribute them, not to be so close to each other. These are 1200 1 day old layers birds. You can see they are very active, adapting to the new environment. The was one is like an indication. This is an indication like that they are okay with the environment they are catching up with. My place is quite special. You can see I'm sweating. The place is a bit hot. The temperatures are very high. So if you love poultry farming, maybe you're trying or maybe you're thinking of venturing in the same, subscribe to this channel, recommend your friends, because I'll be taking you through the whole procedure from 1 day old until they lay eggs. They'll be quite a journey. It's 3 in the afternoon. My birds are very active. They already like the environment. You can see they are quite aggressive. They are feeding. They don't need a top up. It's around 6 hours after the arrival. This is an indication that they are well feeding. They are catching up with the new environment. Here's a food top up. This is 10 hours after their arrival. Yeah, I cannot be able to shout because they don't want to be disturbed. This is 10 hours after their arrival into the farm. They are very energetic, active. I think they like the new environment. See you tomorrow, guys. Subscribe to the channel, share, recommend friends, leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me how you do it in your area. How do you do poultry? How do you do brooding? One day old chicks, how do you take care of them in your area?